Ooh, welcome man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. 2015 Dodge Ram. I don't know why I always say Dodge Ram. Ram 1500, guys. Get ready to do. I get them. By the way, today's Saturday. I get this morning. I guess another technician's off today, so they bring me some of these. These are tie rods, guys. Two tie rods. Tie rods are used in front suspension system. Okay, you have to have a way to separate the steering knuckle from the rack and pinion. All right, you can say it like that. Now, I don't know. I didn't even feel these loose, so I'm not sure why the technician recommended this. How much miles on this? It's a 2015. I can't remember how many miles. It's one of those you didn't diagnose, but I need you to put on parts. Now, it was hard enough, not hard, but taking the wheels off. You see these extenders and stuff, man. This wheel is fairly huge. Let me show y'all the rear of the truck. So it's a fairly huge, nice size truck with some nice size wheels. So will wheels contribute to front suspension wear? Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. If your wheels exceed the weight of wheels and tire combo, exceed the weight of the suspension, yes, you're gonna get some premature suspension wear. Again, I grabbed my wheels at, what is it, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock? I didn't feel a lot of play, so maybe they have some vibrations. Okay, a lot of technicians replace these for vibrations, high speed, but you can contribute most of that to the thread on the tire or the balance of the wheel. It don't look that bad. Had they ever been rotated? I don't know what they chasing, guys, so it's one of those shut up and do what you told type job, and from the look of it, it's not that difficult. Now, I'm also wondering that they factor in an alignment. Yes, guys, you must. There's no way. I mean, I want to say or think I'm good, but I am not that good to put this tie rod in the exact same location as this. In fact, it's probably impossible, guys. No two tie rods are the same. All right, so yeah, you can count. This is what the veterans do. They tend to count. They get it close until they get to the alignment rack. They tend to count the threads and try to match it up with the new one. But again, no two tie rods are built exactly the same. Look at this lip on this rotor. See, I wonder if it's a brake vibration. Hey, that pad, it's not bad, but it's not. So I don't know. I just hope they factor in alignment because, like I say, nobody, okay, how good you are, can get this just right. So, guys, this is easy. I'm not going to bother filming this. I'm going to take this bolt off, knock this up. I could care less about the actual joint because I'm replacing it. So it's okay to take a hammer and bang right there and get this off, get these on. All right, I got work to do. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Alright, guys, as you can see, that was fairly easy. Got the tie rods in. I got both of them on. Now, guys, this is still bothering me. Okay, you look right there. That brake pad is worn down, guys. I'm hoping, ooh, y'all hear that 6.4 or that 6.2 supercharge over there? I'm almost thinking, guys, they have a vibration while braking. So remember, I didn't diagnose this car, but I am part of the solution, the problem. I don't know. I am part of the situation now, so I personally need to stop and go find out what's going on, guys. The brake pads are worn and my rotors are caved in. Are they getting a vibration while braking? Because if so, that problem is more in the brake hardware, not the suspension hardware. Okay, I did not hardly feel any looseness. I did do my 6 o'clock or 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock test. I felt no play. Now I'm wondering, why did I just replace some tie rods, outer tie rod ends, that may not have been the problem. This is when my mind started running. But again, I'm required to do what I'm told to do. I'm about to go over here and check the alignment or align it. The toe. At this point, it's all about the center of the steering wheel, guys, especially if the car was in, or the truck was in alignment in the first place. So it's all about the center of the steering wheel, as well as toe. That's important too, but I gotta go find out about this, guys. All right, I'll see y'all at the alignment rack, guys. Stay tuned. Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Check this out, man. Y'all see this? Y'all see what this box? Y'all see that? Y'all see that, right? K&N. All right. Performance air intake system. That is what I just installed on this 6.1 Hemi, guys. This is a Chrysler 300. I want to say 07 model, but it doesn't matter the model. Now, I just installed this. What's going to change, guys? I don't know. All right. I know what I read as far as high performance, more horsepower, things like that, but I don't really know. So if any of you guys have installed one of these, tell me, let me know what advantages do you have. All right, I'm just the installer on this particular setup. I merely installed it. I now want to know what's the advantage to installing it. All right, so anybody there on IG, let me know what y'all think, man. All right, tune in to my YouTube channel, guys. JT the Car Guy. All right, online mechanic tip. Stay tuned.